Router tables live or die by the lift underneath them, and that single component often decides whether your cuts stay consistent. Finding the best router lift for the money means balancing precision, compatibility, and price without settling for shaky adjustments. These 5 picks cover different budgets and shop needs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Kreg PRS 5000 Precision Router Lift. Kreg built this lift for woodworkers who care about repeatable accuracy above anything else. The standout feature is its ability to fine-tune bit height in increments as small as 1/64 inch, which matters enormously when you're chasing tight tolerances on joinery or profile work. The plate itself measures 3/8 by 9 1/4 by 11 3/4 inches and is made from hard anodized aluminum, a material choice that keeps it from sagging under router weight over time while shrugging off the scratches that come from sliding stock across the surface daily. Compatibility is broad here, with support for more than 20 router models spanning Kreg's own tables and several competing brands, so you're not locked into one ecosystem. The anti-backlash system deserves special mention because it eliminates the frustrating play that cheaper lifts develop, meaning your depth adjustments actually land where you set them instead of drifting slightly with each turn. Setup is straightforward for anyone who has used a router table before, and the above-table adjustment saves real time compared to
reaching underneath. The main trade-off is price, since this sits toward the premium end of the lineup, and hobbyists doing occasional projects might find the precision more than they strictly need.
Number 2. SpeTool Router Lift. SpeTool takes a versatility-first approach, fitting a wide span of router sizes, from 1.25 HP up through 3.25 HP models, which covers diameters between roughly 2 9/16 and 4 1/4 inches. That range makes it a practical choice if you own multiple routers or plan to upgrade later without buying a new lift. The build relies on all-aluminum construction, paired with a 3/8 inch solid insert plate that resists the scratching and wear that lower-grade plates suffer from over months of use. Where this lift really shows its engineering is in the height control system. A 20 TPI screw combined with a zeroing index ring delivers adjustment accuracy down to 0.001 inch, a figure that rivals lifts costing considerably more. Smooth linear bearings on the guide poles keep the motion consistent across the full 4 1/4 inch height adjustment range, avoiding the binding or wobble that cheaper guide systems sometimes introduce. Dust management is another thoughtful touch, since the insert plate includes a built-in collection interface that pairs with SpeTool's own dust collector accessory, cutting down on the chip buildup that obscures your cut line mid-project. Ease of use is a genuine strength, making this approachable for someone newer to router tables, while still satisfying more experienced users who want fine control. The limitation worth noting.
Number 3. JessEm 02120 Mast-R-Lift. This JessEm bundle pairs the Mast-R-Lift 2 with a 9 1/4 by 11 3/4 inch top plate and throws in a 10-piece insert ring set complete with a storage caddy, which saves you from buying rings separately later. The standout feature is the locking mechanism built right into the height adjustment handle, so a simple turn secures the lift for demanding, extended routing sessions without needing a separate lock lever or tool. That kind of integrated design reduces fumbling mid-project and speaks to how much thought went into the user experience. Compatibility follows a clamping block system rather than a one-size mounting hole, letting it accommodate routers with that 9 1/4 by 11 3/4 inch base footprint through adjustable clamps rather than a rigid fit. The top plate is hard anodized, and JessEm is clear that this isn't a superficial coating, but an engineered treatment meant to resist abrasion over years of use, not just months. Build quality feels substantial in hand, and the included insert ring caddy is a small but appreciated organizational touch that keeps your workbench tidier. For woodworkers who value having everything they need in one box rather than piecing together accessories afterward, this bundle removes a lot of the guesswork. The main consideration is that the clamping block compatibility system takes a little getting used to compared to simpler drop-in designs, but most users adjust quickly. Number 4. JessEm 02120 Mast-R-Lift.
This version of the Mast-R-Lift 2 leans into completeness, arriving with 3 insert rings in 1 3/8, 2, and 2.5-inch sizes, an insert wrench, crank handle, 10 stainless steel set screws with a blue nylock patch, and 4 mounting screws. Essentially everything needed to get running without a separate shopping trip. Its exclusive cam locking system, paired with double-sealed bearing construction, is the real engineering highlight, delivering smooth, controlled motion while keeping dust and debris from working their way into the mechanism over time. The above-table bit change design is where this lift earns its keep day to day, letting you swap bits without pulling the router out from underneath, which shaves meaningful time off every setup change and reduces wear on the router's collet from repeated removal. Construction is 3/8-inch solid, hard anodized aluminum, chosen specifically to resist warping, corrosion, and general wear in shops that see heavy use. JessEm markets it as compatible with the majority of fixed-base routers on the market, which gives it broad appeal whether you're running a mid-range router or something more specialized. Fit and
Finish feel consistent with JessEm's reputation, and the hardware included shows attention to detail rather than an afterthought. The trade-off is that fixed-base compatibility, while wide-ranging, isn't truly universal, so it's worth confirming your specific router before ordering.
Number 5. ZahyoX Router Lift. ZahyoX built this lift around adaptability, featuring a 4.2-inch mounting hole alongside 3 reducer collar sizes, sold separately, which together allow it to accept routers ranging from 2.56 to 4.2 inches in diameter. That flexibility means it can grow with your tool collection, instead of locking you into one router permanently. The 11 3/4 by 9 1/4 inch insert plate is sized to match Kreg tables, the PowerTech 71402, and most commercial router tables, so fitting it into an existing setup is generally painless. Material quality holds up well under scrutiny, with a 3/8-inch hard anodized solid aluminum plate delivering a flat, dependable routing surface, while steel guideposts with double-sealed linear bearings keep dust from interfering with smooth motion over time. The Bakelite reducer colors add a nice touch of reliability, and their Taiwan manufacturing suggests consistent quality control. Height adjustment covers a 100mm range with notably smooth rise and fall, making bit changes quick without ever removing the router from its carriage, a real time saver during multi-bit projects. The bundle is generous too, including insert rings, a start pin, crank handle, centering pins, mounting plates, leveling screws, and Allen wrenches, so there's little left to purchase afterward. The one minor catch is that the reducer collars needed for full compatibility range are sold separately, so budget for those if your router falls outside the...
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.